Hi guys, Kyung here, and I'm super excited. I finished this journal, right? It's a beautiful little one signature journal. It's got a bunch of laces and stuff. It's like a fabric quilted cover, and it's my design team project for Line.Arrow for Natalie's kit spring writing. It's such a pretty kit. I had a lot of fun using it, so I'm going to do a flip through of it. So let's open it. I tied it with this sari silk, right, in my favorite way that I learned from Julie over at Community Crafts. That's how she ties her journals. Well, some of her. I don't know. This is where I learned how to do it anyway. So on the inside, we have a library card pocket, right? It's just, I didn't decorate the library card itself, but I did decorate the pocket. And then over here on this page, we have this cute little like faux envelope, right? And it ties shut so that it opens. Oh, it is. I made it a full envelope, looks like. And inside we have a ticket and a butterfly and this little postcard. So there's that. And then it's also a pocket. So I made these little tags to go in the pocket. Then this page, right? I just decorated, put some like butterfly and some writing space. And we had our little hole punches from when I did the cover. That's what that was. A cluster. Dum doom. We have this page, right? And this is like from a botanical book. This is like a botanical book page. And this came out of, I cut out of like a little book that had like poetry and sentiments and stuff. And then here's this page. I love this page with the bird, and this paper is gorgeous. Isn't that paper gorgeous? With the like, I love all the labels that come with it and everything. And this is just a little notebook, right? Little notebook. Goes in that little pocket like that. Just some journaling space, right? This is like some ephemera I had that like my husband got me that I thought went perfect. Journaling, some book pages. This page with the big butterfly I put on. Oh no, I sewed this postcard into my page. How did I do that? Oh goodness. Okay, we got it. We're good. We're good. Hey, you know, it's old. It's vintage. These things happen over time. So we have some postcards, nothing too fancy, and just some like little ephemera, right, that I put in that pocket. And then here we have a greeting card with, I had like some rub-on transfers. That's what these are. And I just like collaged and put some lace and like a little flower. And inside journaling. And then here we have an altered paper clip, right? And I made out of the tags that come with the kit. And just a journaling, right? Some dyed graph paper. And then on this side, we have the other side of the paperclip. This that I backed with coffee dyed paper for journaling. And this is like alcohol ink paper. And look at this. Isn't this wild? This is crazy bright. But I thought it screamed spring to me, right? Doesn't that just like look like Easter or something? It's got all the like spring colors. So I thought, but it's a little bright, right? So I thought I would kind of hide it as like a surprise in behind the bird here, see? So you don't even know. And then, continuing on, we have more journaling, right? Some purple dyed paper, another greeting card. And this was a book illustration from a book, from Reader's Digest book. You open it up, and we have journaling, and then a pocket with some tags that I backed with coffee dyed paper. Oh, and then isn't this trim cool with these little like holes? Brenda sent me these in that Happy Mail. I love them. It's super cool. It was the first thing I used. I was like, I want to use those. Anyway, continuing on, we have this page with a little tag, right? And then a yellow page with a sunflower and some quick notes and some stenciling, some more sunflowers. And then over on this side, we have, I love this page with the dragonfly and the like little flowers I stamped, right? It says loving with lace. And then here we just have like a cluster, and then another one of those botanical book pages, right? And on this side, I didn't cover it. I just left it blank. I left it its original page. Here we have a coffee dyed paper that's stamped with some lace. And oh yes, look at this. Look at this like vintage music paper. And it's my favorite things, right? A few of my favorite things. And it's like purple. Isn't that great? And it looks like it was either hand done or, I don't know, like typed on a music typing. I bet they had like music typing kind of typewriter machines. I don't know how they did it back then, but that's what it looks like. Oh, this like vintage, really cool. It's like a magazine page or something. It's like newsprint. 50 most beautiful flowering houseplants. And I don't know, on the back page it might have its date. I don't know. It's really cool though. And then we have circle pockets, and I stuffed these with just bits of ephemera, right? Like just little bits, clippings from the kit and a ticket and like labels and like butterfly stickers and stuff, right? And those get like stuck in there like that. And each pocket has different stuff. And then here, oh, this was inspired by the page that Fiona did in one of her accordion books this last week, right? And so I open it up, ta-da! I have one in my door journal too, right? I love this little butterfly button. I thought it was perfect with the, I don't know, it's perfect. And then you open it up and we have all this space to write. And I didn't cover this part with coffee dyed paper because I wanted to be able to see the kit because I think it's really pretty. And so there's that. It says, "Dear friends," when you open it up. That's to cover up the mistakes I made. If you can tell, there's actually holes there because I messed it up. Gotta have little mistakes. Oh, this is the center spread too. So we have this pretty belly band with some more paper, right? And this paper was sent to be my Matilda, I think. I think she made this paper. So that was sent to me in some happy mail. And a guest check. And Jen might have sent me this in a happy mail. I know I got this in a happy mail. But don't quote me on who sent it to me. I'm very bad about remembering these things. Okay, on this page we have a butterfly and like a journaling card, right? Just a journaling card with like a charm, a golden charm. I backed it with coffee dyed paper. Oh, what? Let's see if we can find a date. Is there a date on the back of this? 79. Family Circle, 1979. How cool, November 1st, huh? Ooh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That's the back of that. So pretty, so pretty. Anyway, more journaling, more of that music paper. I think the other side is stamped, yep. And one of the reasons I put the music paper here, actually, is because when I stamped it, this ink soaked through, and you could see through it. And I was like, I don't like that. But this came in, it was just perfect, right? I also have a lot of washi tape throughout the journal because I have a lot of it and I think it looks pretty. It just like adds some decorative stuff. Book page, right? From a Reader's Digest. The days were too short and I love it. It's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Love, love. And then here is the other side to that botanical book page. Oh, this cluster. Jania made this cluster and sent it to me. Isn't it so cute? It's a darling. So I had to put it in there. And we have more journaling space. And this page with this, I think this is a little notebook if I'm not mistaken. Yep, it's a little notebook that folds up. And it's got this is paint paper, so it's like watered down acrylic paint, and I dyed the paper using that. And so it's got kind of a different texture and stuff. I actually really like it. Okay, so moving on. We have this page that I just put a little tiny little belly band with this little tiny postcard, and it's got like I glued on some little journaling. Isn't that cute? I don't know. I thought that was darling. So there's that. More journaling space, right? Lots of journaling. I like to put lots of journaling. I love this feather, so I just put it there by itself because I liked it. We have another little altered paper clip, and my sister made this one. Yep, my sister made, isn't it so cute? I put the charm on, but she put the like little circle on it for me and everything. She made this. It is, even the back of it's so cute. She used that butterfly scrap paper. Oh, it's so cute. Anyway, We have a big butterfly, and this I put on there. It's like a, I don't know, maybe acetate sticker, I think. And this, isn't it so cute? This is another book illustration out of like the Reader's Digest book. And I just made my own kind of greeting card, right? It opens up for journaling out of that beautiful paper. So that goes there with the paper clip. On this page, I made this tag into like a tuck, right? The happiest moment. And inside we have 2 more journaling cards with book illustrations. And these book illustrations are Fox and the Hound. See, look, there he is. I love it. It's gorgeous. And this one too, I'm pretty sure, is Fox and the Hound. Beautiful. Anyway, so those go in there. I think those are dated maybe the 70s, I think. That came out of a book that was dated the 70s. Oh, yay, look, the other side to that. There's a date on that too, 1940. So that's the date on that piece of paper. Let's see, I think that's Hans Christian Andersen, this book page. Doom, doom, another like ephemera kind of page that I made. This was also sent to me. Oh, I really wish I could remember who made this and sent this to me. Isn't it gorgeous? It's stunning. And I've been hoarding it and staring at it. And like I get it out and I play with it and I look at it and I'm like, oh, it's just hard to put it in a journal because, you know, then it's in a journal and then it goes bye-bye, you know. I mean, I suppose I could put a journal that I keep, but, you know, I receive so much ephemera, you know. I receive so much. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? This like little notebook. Oh, with that paper. And look. Okay, so this tucks back in, right? This, right? It tucks back in like this. This slides out like that. Look at that little tiny tag. Oh my gosh, it's so darling. Anyway, I love it. Okay, moving on. I wish I could remember who sent that to me. Someone in the group, in Miss P's group, sent that to me, I'm pretty sure. They sent me a few pieces. Thinking about it, this might be Michelle Fenske, or no, Michelle Ream. Michelle Ream? Michelle Fenske. Oh, I don't know, my memory's so bad. Anyway, moving on. Forget all that. We have here a page, like this really pretty acetate page. Look at this, right? And this slides out. This is like a collaged journaling page, right? But look at this. It's got these butterflies and like the doily design. And this came out of like one of those journaling kind of ephemera kits that my husband got me. So that's that. And I thought that looked great in there, huh? The little boy running down the lane. And what's funny is when you put this in here, it like the doily covers the little boy. So he's kind of a surprise, right? You don't know he's there until you pull the card out. So that's cool. Here we have the end. We're coming to the end of the journal. This was another cluster that Jania sent me. The only reason why I remember that is because it was the most recent Happy Mail that was sent to me, so it's still fresh in my mind. There hasn't been time enough to forget. And here's the back page. I left it blank. I think it's gorgeous, right? Also liked that, you know, it could lay flat. And then I stamped using one of Lorna's custom-made stamps, you know, from Tailor Made Journals, and I signed it, right? And that's the end, and here's the back of it. Ta-da! So, I kind of, I was like, I apologize if I talked a little fast and, I don't know, got a little excited. I'm very happy with the way this turned out. So, but anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you. It will be listed in the Etsy shop probably by tomorrow night. So probably by Monday evening. I still have to take pictures of it and list it and everything. So, till next time, I will see you with more crafting of the Gnome Journal, and I will talk to you later. Bye.